Finance Gang, it's your girl Shay here, and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be a little different. What we're going to do is we're going to set up our budget because the first check of the month is coming up and I am behind my budget. So let's get right into this video. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this budget planner. Girls just want to have funds. It's a happy planner. I believe I got it from Joann's or Michael's, one of the two. I believe Joann's. And I am in the month of March. The thing about this planner is you have to label your own calendar, which is good if you're not, lazy. You just have to go through and you can start wherever you are in the year. I did start in, November. I started in November, so we are now in March. So in this next scene, what you're witnessing me do is go through my sticker book. I also bought this book from Joann's. It goes with the Happy Planner, not just the Happy, not just a happy planner, but it goes with any planner that you like. This is specific to budgeting, this particular book. But I'm going to go through and I'm going to choose the stickers that I want to label my calendar with. So throughout the calendar, I'm going to go and put the stickers, the amount of the bill, what bill is due. Sometimes I'm able to split my bills in half so I can stuff my cash envelopes with half of what I know I'm gonna owe. That way when I get my second check, I'm able to pay, be able to get to the second half and I can pay off the entire bill. Unfortunately, that's not the situation right now. I'm gonna have to wait until there's like a month with 5 checks where I can do that. I'm not 5 checks, 5 weeks where I can do that. But until then, I'm just gonna continue to write down all of my liabilities that's due for the month and break them up. So half of my bills can be paid the first 2 weeks of the month, and then the other half can be paid the second 2 weeks. And that's just what I'm doing right now. All right, so as you know, we have two different envelopes. We have our envelope for our sinking funds, and then I have my cash envelopes, regular cash envelopes. So we're gonna start with our regular cash envelopes. So after I get paid every week, every other week, first thing I put into my envelopes is my tithe. And this week, or for the last 2 weeks, we are going to pay $130 for tithes. So it's 20. It has 50, 100, 120, 130. I like to put my big bills in the front, and I also like to have them all facing the same way. So that's that.
Baby, since you said them coming in today, I was thinking about probably let off too much change.
Yeah. Car maintenance has some money left over, $4. So these $4 are going to go in the kids' piggy bank. I'm gonna put that to the side. And for car maintenance, we're just gonna stuff that with $20. We also have some change left over, and I also save my change until the end of the year. So drop that in there.
She want to go back to them.
I know, but I had to put her down because she was over here tearing up. So she
don't make us remove you from the audience.
Right.
From the studio audience.
So we'll just keep it in a jar. Got a lot of change at the bottom. Just stop changing. I don't count it. I just stuff it. So I just fold it up, put it in there, close it up, and we'll count it at the end of the year. Alright, so next we have gas. We got $1 left, looks like, from gas. It's also going to go in the piggy bank. So I just put that to the side. And for gas, for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to stuff $30. Okay. For the next 2 weeks, that should be enough. Because we don't do a lot of driving. You can get one on my left.
That old. That bust that boy. And then this 18, I got another $1. I got $2. Shit, yeah. Give him the dub, man. Man, I didn't mean to treat you like a corner store nigga or nothing.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, you did, homeboy.
That how we doing, dog, though. Crying about that chain, man. Looking like a Arabian R&B singer and shit.
Though.
You seen his new haircut?
No, I don't go in there.
Oh.
Ever.
Johnny Bravo.
Alright. So for grocery, supposed to put, okay, so I'm gonna put $50 in grocery, lunch, in my lunch sleeve for this week. And phone bill is getting paid through T-Mobile app. So that's all for our cash envelopes. Now we can move on to our sinking. Okay. If you got the breath. Alright, so now we can move on to our sinking funds. I will be selling these on my Etsy shop, me and my husband's Etsy shop, after April 1st. So,
what about Mercari too?
We can do
Mercari
and Amazon. So I normally put $25 in my children's account, but since then I have found out that we are expecting a baby number 3.
Chill.
So we're gonna take it down to $20 every paycheck instead of $25. So each of the children are gonna get $20. So we can give the big sister a dub. I need another 20 or 2 10s.
Like she's surfing.
Right.
Like you boogie boy.
Kimora gets 20.
Dude.
She can get 2 10s. We don't know what baby number 3 is yet, but we're gonna say that he is also getting $20.
That's my boy.
5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. I need $2. You got $2?
This one got.
Heck no. I'm taking it out of the piggy bank.
We got baby powder on it.
Taking it out. No, thank you.
I give it to you in change.
Taking it out of, no, because I needed to go in the envelope. No, man, because I got change. No. Heck no.
I like the money that, what he said, I like the quiet money.
Okay, I like that.
Not the
like
loud.
that quiet money.
You know what? They got the little things in there too where you can roll your, what you call it up.
What they do?
Man, it ain't time
So,
yet.
Daddy did not give me anything to stuff in his envelope.
Bro.
I don't stuff my envelope unless I have leftovers. So we're going to pass through my leftovers and move on. So, clothes. This is an envelope that I use for the whole family. You can see there's nothing in it because we just went to Target and splurged like $400 or $500. So that's only getting $5 this paycheck.
Papa like to eat.
Well, I don't got that's crazy, dog. No change, bro. I need like these 50s. I need smaller bills. So, because for home remodel,
you want
I need $20. No,
you said
I need smaller bills. It was, I did not add anything in here, but I did put 5 for clothes in here. So, home remodeling is going to get $20. Debt, snowball, got $20. Put $20 for vacation, and I use this if we don't go on vacation for the year. I use it for Christmas. Put it back. Pets got $5, and emergency funds got $20 for today. And we will be stuffing in 2 more weeks or whenever we do get a lump sum. We did get our stimulus. Only put in, I put their stimulus in their bank account with USAA. And so I did not want to carry all that cash on me. So I put it in their USAA account. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.